Legal Talk on eRadio for another week, and as always joined by Hahn Hahn Attorneys. Today the lovely Nirvana Nothnagel joins us. It's been a while, Nirvana. Welcome back.
It has been a bit of a long stretch. Thank you for having me back, Jan.
Yeah, thanks for joining us again. And today we are asking the question to the listeners, of course. Are you aware that builders are to be registered with the NHBRC? What on earth is the NHBRC, Nirvana?
That would be the National Home Builders Registration Council. It creates an obligation on builders to register, enroll, and an intended building project with them. And this has been created in the Housing Consumers Protection Measures Act 95 of 1998. So this obligation is intended to provide protection to consumers from substantial building work.
Okay, so this this is the act that governs the registration of builders.
Correct.
Okay. And
the council.
Okay. And what section of the act deals with the registration of builders? And also, what are the implications of non-registration?
So Section 10 of the Act states that no person shall carry on a business of a home builder or receive any consideration in terms of any agreement with the housing consumer in respect of a sale or construction of a home unless that person is a registered home builder. So no home builder shall construct a home unless that home builder is a registered home builder. Basically, the consequence of this means that should you not be registered and not enrolled your building project with the NHBRC, that you will not be able to claim back any outstanding compensation for that building project. This was dealt with in the case of 2013, which was a constitutional case of Hubbard versus Cool Ideas. More details will be provided in respect of this case in the article that will be posted on our firm's website.
Okay. And Nirvana, do builders need to be registered with the NHBRC for lesser things like home renovations or alterations?
So as it stands, the Act doesn't make provision for renovations or enrollment of projects where the owner undertakes alterations, conversions, or improvements of their home, although there have been discussions relating to imposing the same requirements on builders who undertake such lesser work.
All right. And what would your advice be, Nirvana, for builders in respect of the NHBRC?
So there's a duty of developers and builders to ensure that they are registered and enrolled with the NHBRC. As should such developer and or builder fail to do so, they will not be entitled to claim for completed. And the housing consumer will not be deemed to be unjustly enriched by the fact that he or she retains a property without fully compensating the developer or the builder. So it's also further to be noted that the registration subsequent to a conclusion of the agreements will not be the builder or the developer. So if you start a project and at that time the builder or the developer is not registered with the NHBRC and they haven't enrolled the project, then a later registration will not remedy this error. So the registration and enrollment with the NHBRC is therefore imperative in order to prevent losses that may otherwise have been recoverable. And then consumers can verify a builder's registration with the NHBRC on their website if you go to www.nhbrc.org.za.
Is there a platform I can go on to check if a builder is registered on that with the NHBRC?
Yes. So that's the website I just mentioned. Okay. So it's www.nhbrc.org.za. You can log on to their website.
And then for the whistleblowers, if you suspect a builder is not registered, do you just contact them directly through that website as well and report it, or?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
So you'll contact their officers and report.
Interesting indeed. Nirvana, thank you so much. Nirvana Nothnagel, an associate attorney at Hahn Hahn. And that's it for another week's Legal Talk. Nirvana, until next time.
Thank you for having me again.
Are you or your business in trouble and struggling to find a solution? Call Hahn Hahn Attorneys as we assist clients in finding solutions. We specialize in consumer and food law, commercial and construction law, forensic investigations and administrative law. Visit hahnlaw.co.za. That's HAHN. We assist clients nationwide. Hahn Hahn Attorneys, because we care. Don't miss Legal Talk with Hahn Hahn Attorneys, Wednesday mornings at 10 on eRadio.